Right guys, let's get this fucking fire done, right? Right, I'm going to set the stopwatch. Let's adjust. And start. Let's begin. Gloves are in here. Vape. Right, let's get rid of these obstructions out of the fire pit. So it's fucking up the airflow. Right, let's get rid of that. And that. Let's flatten this down a little bit. Let's get rid of that as well. Alright, so I want some airflow going underneath. Thank you very much. There's one. Going through there. And then we go through this bit as well. Nice airflow underneath. And then a nice airflow here. So we want some airflow going in. Get out of the way. Let's tuck this in here. It's a lot harder when I haven't got a viewfinder, but I have to make do with what I've got. So I'm using the bigger lens. Right. Right, let's put that pointy stick. Right, so right, I'm going to be making this as quick as possible, so I need to hurry up. I need my penknife. That's already open. I don't need the penknife. Right, let's lay that at the bottom. It's too big. Right, let's empty this all out. And let's put that back in here. And let's sit on the floor. Because I can. Right, that's quite flat, isn't it? Look at that. There's a nice flat piece there. That's not the same height though, is it? There we go, there's one. Now, I need to start piling this up. That could get at the back. That's a bit shit, isn't it? If I get a wedge in there, that'll flatten it up. That's not exactly a good size, is it? Right, that'll do. I'll just keep chucking the logs on. If I get that any bigger than that, it's going to fuck up, so. Start off with those logs. Let's put this side so you can see what I'm doing. That's my food, so let's put it on the chair. That's rubbish, so put that behind. Right, so the wood that I cut up yesterday is the one that's going to start the fire. Oh, bollocks. got it all mixed up. It's annoying. Right, so alright. This is what I cut up yesterday. This is basically gonna start the fire. Really. Well, I need that as flat as possible, really. So if I put, oh, for fuck's sake, I'm so clumsy. Yeah. There you go. That's the base. Right, so in here, if I just empty all these out in the paper, and that way I could put all this stuff back in here. This is a pine. No. I'm sitting on the floor so you can see the tent behind me. Right. Okay, that'll help with the fire. Let's get the cotton balls out and I'll get rid of all this stuff out of the way. Use all these. Right. Let's put all this stuff in here. Right, next job. Right, make sure my vape pen's off. Right, lazy fire. What we're going to do, again, need to elevate this. Need something smaller than that. I'm going to end up burning all that anyway. A whole lot's going up. This is all the pine stuff. Alright. So let's get some smaller blocks. So basically I'm blocking the airflow out of there. Okay. So let's get that about there. So let's get that in the middle. Really important that you get that airflow in there. get that there. That's it. And then like that. And like that. And now you can start let's light it. Petrol in a different form. A little bit higher. Like that. And like that. And then like that. And then like that. And then like that. And that will fucking do for now. And just be a bit greedy. Put some down the side as well. And then so it's going to be a big fire. Not quite lit yet. Put that at the back. There we go. We have fire. Thank you very much, guys. So please like, comment, subscribe. See you in another video. Bye bye. See ya.